It's the sixth day of decline coming in for the benchmark indices. You have all the sectors that are down in trade today. Heavy losses seen across the markets. Let me take you to the stocks that are moving based on news today. You have ONGC that fell about over 3% intraday trading session, most since April. It's on track for its fourth straight session of losses. Fire broke out at company's Hazira gas processing plant. They added that the fire was later brought under control. There was no casualty, no injury. So that is ONGC. That's one of the reasons why it's recovered from the day's lowest points. But you had NTPC and GAIL also that suffered due to the fire at Hazira plant of ONGC. Moving on, you have Hindalco that's down about 3.6% in trade today. CLSA has actually slightly cut the target price for the counter, but they've reiterated a buy rating on the particular stock. Sun Pharma was down in trade today as company's unit voluntarily recalled one lot of Riomet ER due to detection of NDMA impurity. They said the level of NDMA was found to be above the allowable acceptable daily intake limit by the US FDA. That's why one of the reasons why the stock is down in trade today. Zydus Wellness saw some gains in this rather very weak market. The company said that the board constituted committee approved raising of funds through a QIP. They've set the floor price at 1,775.85 rupees per share. The committee is scheduled to meet on September 28 to approve the issue price. Apart from that, a slew of stocks that are actually declining in trade today. You have the tech sector that is falling in line with what happened to the US tech stocks as well, like your Apple, Netflix, Alphabet. They all were declining in trade yesterday, and ditto is what's happening with our stocks here. So you have Tech Mahindra that's down most in 19 weeks. You have Infosys that is also down most in 19 weeks. You have TCS that is now down over 6% in trade today. At one point in time, it was down most in 20 weeks. Apart from that, you have Coal India that's down most in the 12 weeks. You have IOC that's down most in 18 weeks. Also, you have a couple of stocks that are actually seeing a losing streak, and some of them that I will mention are Petronet LNG has fallen for a 7th straight session. You have Bajaj Finserv that's down for a 6th day in a row. Also, you have IDFC First Bank that's fallen for a 7th day in a row. So these are the counters that are actually declining in trade today. You have GMM Pfaudler also that is declining. Once again, it is a locked in lower circle of about 5%. Apart from that, you have Apollo Hospitals bucking the trend, has gained about 21% since it's actually reported is Q1 earnings. So that's one counter that is shining in trade today, along with Fortis Health. But all in all, a very weak market is what we are in today.